We started in 1937, so we've been around for just over 82 years. We specialize in vending and created the first production of vending machines. And then we morphed into food service equipment. We have heated display cases, coolers, refrigerated units.
These products are manufactured all here in Dallas. In the back door of our building, we bring in the raw steel and we punch it, we form it, we powder coat it as necessary. We also do the testing here and we pack it off, ready to send to our customer.
At its core, vending machines and the vending machine industry is really an industry of convenience. We bring the things people want closer to them so they don't have to get up and leave their office or drive to the store.
Some of the new innovative products we're offering is the V21i. It sets itself apart from the other vending machines because it's truly an IoT or Internet of Things based unit, allowing you to program the unit remotely. You can get in and check inventory. You can change pricing, you can set limits on beverage sales and how many are sold.
It's an intentional innovation for us to dress up the vendor, introduce new IoT, and really try and enhance that consumer experience when they do utilize a vending machine or decide to take a pizza out of a hot food display machine. We have a deep care and appreciation for our customers. And I really believe that in order for my company to be successful, we have to be committed to the success of our customers. That means taking care of your customers, that means taking care of your employees, and taking care of your quality.